Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my very first unboxing for November and it is Lookfantastic. It's got my address on the front there. If you're new to Lookfantastic and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you just want to get to seeing what's inside this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box that ships internationally. It costs £15 a box and you can cancel any month, or you can take out a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. If you take out a 12-month subscription, it brings the box cost down to £13 a month. This video is sponsored by Lookfantastic and they've given me a code to share with you, which is my channel name, Diaryofabeautygeek, and that will entitle you to receive £3 off your first box. I've also got a site-wide discount code as well, which is DiaryLF, and that will entitle you up to 25% off the majority of products on the website. Not on the subscription though, but all the new Christmas gift sets they've got on their website at the moment, then my code can give you at least 22% off. So I thought I'd mention it as that's quite a good deal. You'll find a link to the subscription plus my codes down below in my description, so you're welcome to take a look down there. But yeah, inside the box you'll receive 6 beauty products. Sometimes we get a freebie. The freebies are usually like samples, so it could be a perfume, or even we've had chocolate bars in the past as well. The minimum value of the box is £50 and we've seen values reaching over 100. So if there's anything else you'd like to know, then please ask away. But yeah, let's get on to showing you then what's in the November box. Oh my gosh, okay. I haven't got a clue what's inside. I'm filming this before the 1st of November, so I've had no spoilers. But look, there's something wrapped up in there. I love this as well. Right, if I just put that behind me. Now, usually inside each box you receive a QR code. Once you scan that, that'll give you information about the products in the box. It tells you its value. It also gives you a sneak peek for the following month's box, which is the December box, and also any new limited editions. Lookfantastic currently have their Christmas edits on waitlist. You will find a link to them down below in my description if you want to sign up for those. But there's no QR code in this box. So if I manage to find out what the sneak peek for next month's box is, then I'll pop it in the top of the post where I put links to this box and like the timestamps so you can flick forward, so I'll add it there. But yeah, alright, I'm intrigued. Why is this wrapped up? We never get anything wrapped up. It's because it's a candle, so it needs extra protection. We've got a candle from Rituals. This is the Ritual of Sakura. It doesn't have a size, but it's a little mini one, as you can see. This is a gorgeous scent. It's really, really lovely. For this sort of size candle, if you were to light it in a big room, say in your living room, and you're like 10 feet away or whatever, you're not going to smell it. It's because obviously it's small. It's nothing to do with the quality of the candle, it's just the size of it. So this would be perfect for, I don't know, like having a bath, putting it on the side of your bath, or if you've got a small like entrance hallway, or a smaller room, a little bit more cozy, just so you can smell the scent then basically. But yeah, it is a gorgeous smell. It is, oh, let me think now. I should know this by now. I think it is cherry blossom and rice milk. Let's have a Google. Spawn! Rice milk and cherry blossom. See, I doubt myself and my memory abilities. But yeah, I like that. And we've got a hair clip. This is a big one. And I'm really chuffed with this because I've just come back from Greece. So thank you to all you lovely lot that have messaged me on my previous videos. I uploaded quite a few videos before I went away, just to keep my channel running basically, because if I didn't post any videos, then the algorithm will be like that. So it's really hard for us YouTubers to take a break without it affecting our views and things. So I was pretty ill before I went, and I think I had COVID. My husband tested positive for COVID after me, so it makes sense that I obviously gave it to him. Feel completely better now. Had an amazing time in Greece. If you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, then you'll see some posts over the next couple of days or so. I had one of these. It wasn't as big as this, nearly the same size. And I love it for taking selfies. Obviously it's a hair grip and it's a Lookfantastic in collaboration with So Eco. It's a beauty claw clip. Obviously handy to tie your hair up and stuff. I went on an island hopping holiday on my own. So obviously I want photos of me on my travels, and I just find it a faff getting out a tripod, setting it up. Oh, I can't remember who told me this, but I saw a tip on TikTok. So you can tilt it forward or tilt it backwards. So perfect for taking selfies. So having something like this was really, really handy. But I broke mine. It was very windy on one of the islands and my phone got blown over and this smashed to pieces on the floor. That was a couple of days into my trip, so yeah. I didn't have one. So no, I'm really happy that I got another one. I have got smaller ones, but the bigger the better. Off on a tangent with that one, but I just thought I'd tell you of another use for it. Next up, we have got, this is a scalp foam by Hair Gain. Leave-in scalp treatment, reduce hair shred, get thicker, fuller hair. Oh, wow, this sounds so good. Hair Gain Scalp Foam is our ultimate scalp treatment for fuller looking hair. Expect less hair shed and hair that shines with vitality. Use it on dry or towel dry hair. No need to rinse and you can use it once a day. And style your hair as normal. There's 50 mils there. I've never tried anything from this brand before. Hair Gain. Yeah, I'll try anything to thicken up my hair. I've got a few little hair extensions that I put in before I went on holiday. My daughter helped me do it. Only a few, and then I'm going to a salon to have them taken out hopefully next week. She's going to cut my hair into a bob, and then I've got an appointment to find out what the heck is wrong with my hair. So all the products to make it thicker, healthier looking and to stop shedding is brilliant. We have got Nude Sticks, and this is a magnetic matte eye colour in taupe. Oh, brilliant. Nude Sticks is not a new product to have in these boxes, but we usually see like lip and cheek colours, so it's nice that we've got something a little bit different here. And I love an eyeshadow pencil, and in taupe as well. It's just the perfect smoky base for an eye. Oh, I love that. Yeah, I love it. So I would just apply that loads underneath my eye, above my eye, and then just blend it right out. And then I would go over maybe with a darker brown eyeshadow in the outer corners. A taupe is just gorgeous and essential for creating a smoky eye. Yeah, I love that. That was really hard to come off as well. I've got a wipe here and I'm really rubbing. We have got a little mini Cetaphil. This is a gentle skin cleanser, normal to dry, sensitive skin. Hydrates as it cleanses to soothe and replenish skin's moisture. There's 29 mils there. My daughter likes this, so I'll be passing that on to her. She's got very sensitive skin. That's acne prone as well. And then lastly, we have got a pack of, I think there's 10 pads here. Yeah, 10 facial radiance pads with glycolic and lactic acid, safe for sensitive skins. This is by First Aid Beauty. So this is like a little travel pack to last you obviously 10 days. I have used them in the past. I love that they contain acids, quick and easy. I use acids on my face every couple of days anyway, every other day then, as a liquid exfoliant. But yeah, they're just nice and quick and easy. If I'm going away for the weekend or something, then yeah, having a little pack like that, it's just easier than carrying a big bottle. So yeah, so there you go. Those are all the products inside the November Lookfantastic beauty box. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got the Ritual of Sakura. This is a candle from Rituals. We've got a hair grip by Soeco in collaboration with Lookfantastic. We've got a scalp foam from Hair Gain. We've got a pack of 10 facial radiance pads from First Aid Beauty. We've got a gentle skin cleanser from Cetaphil. And lastly, we have got a magnetic matte eye pencil in taupe by Nude Sticks. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you a regular subscriber to the monthly box? Are you looking forward to receiving it? Or are you watching this wondering, shan't I subscribe? I'd love to know, so please comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.